Before you begin, remove the top cover, 2.5-inch storage drive assembly, wireless LAN module, GPU fan, CPU fan, and CPU heatsink. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the power button and HDD activity LED cables for later replacement. Disconnect the power button and HDD activity LED cable from the connector on the system board. Remove the HDD activity LED from the retention clips on the chassis. Remove the power button and HDD activity LED cables from the routing channel between the chassis and system board. Press the release tab on the power button bracket to disengage it from the chassis. Remove the power button and HDD activity LED cables. Replacement. Slide the tabs on the bottom edge of the power button bracket into the cutouts in the chassis and carefully press it into position until it clicks. Connect the power button and HDD activity LED cable into the connector on the system board. Insert the HDD activity LED into the retention clips on the chassis. Route the power button and HDD activity LED cables through the routing channel between the chassis and system board.